I wanted to make this video because I want to talk a little bit about Polygon Matic for you guys. We've talked about it in the past, and now things have changed, okay? The crypto markets, the total crypto world, the sector, if you will, is trying to take a turn back out of this bear market, okay? I want to share with you guys my thoughts as we look into basically quarter 3 for Polygon Matic, seeing some increase. But now, furthermore, we're going to talk about not the partnerships, not what's going on, but we're going to talk about $1, okay? So very good stuff coming out from Polygon Matic. I'm going to break it all down for you guys on the channel. If you guys enjoy this, absolutely subscribe down below. That's your way of letting me know to keep talking about Polygon Matic, because that's the only really feedback we get. You know, the comment box, liking, and subscribing, all three good things to get the content that you guys want here on the channel, all right? But let's get into it, guys. And remember, obviously not financial advice, so do your own homework, due diligence, with everything crypto and financial, all right? But this is Polygon Matic, and we've talked about adding all of these partnerships, right? The likes of Nike, so on and so forth. Huge Fortune 500 companies, okay? Polygon Matic expanding into Web3 more so than really any other cryptocurrency, okay? If you guys were watching my channel and you were able to get into it back in 2022, earlier, where we talked about, 2023, earlier in that year, okay? And I believe it might have actually been in November 2022. But that was basically when we saw Polygon Matic experience outstanding gains, okay? They were basically coming out of nowhere, doubling people's bags, okay? And it's something where there's been a lot of FUD surrounding Polygon Matic. But this is where we've seen basically that sharp increase in price is validating what we have seen in the past for Polygon Matic. Now, what right here, right now, when we get into the long-term resistance level at 85 cents, I do want to share with you guys a little bit about my thoughts, okay? Because this is where I was talking about. People were making money. Polygon Matic was $1.27 overnight, basically, okay? Instant news outbroke within Polygon, and this is where all those partnerships, the alignment for the future really took shape when Web3 was really starting to spread its wings, okay? And then we had some further macro incidences that completely destroyed the outlook for Polygon Matic. But now, if we look at the chart, it really hasn't receded as much as other cryptos, okay? So it's basically reclaiming that spot, and this has essentially been a flat crypto, so to speak, in comparison to the rest of the crypto world, okay? So that's kind of where we are at right here, right now with Polygon Matic. And during this upward trend that I'm describing to you guys, where we've reclaimed all this horizontal resistance, this is where we've seen Polygon Matic increase by 55%, okay? The RSI behind Polygon Matic is very bullish. That is indicating a lot of momentum within Matic. And more so, what we are seeing basically is crossing above 50, okay? That is essentially becoming a very bullish crypto. And now, we talk about what Polygon Matic is saying in terms of not just my opinion, okay, but from analysts. This is where you're looking at specifically how we are looking at the increase in Polygon Matic NFTs, okay? We're looking at what we have seen from Q2, where revenue has fallen, okay? But we have seen addresses accumulate. Inflows are coming in to Polygon Matic. Now, these gains that I described to you back when it reached about $1.27, when a lot of people were on board, and this was the hot topic within crypto, is Matic and their partnerships in this incredible rise in price. This was back in a bear market still, guys. And during that time, crypto was flat, no momentum, cold, stale, stagnant. But here we are. We're still talking Polygon Matic. Analysts are getting on board. And now we're talking about the next bull cycle, okay? Everything is still alive and well within Polygon Matic. Adoption is up. Inflows are coming. Institutions are coming. It's going to be a huge new wave for crypto. Now, this bullishness will continue, and we have this bullishness without any further help, any extracurricular catalyst, if you will, from the broader markets. Okay, this is just organic, basically, production coming from the investors and community within Matic right here, right now, all right? And this is something where we look into the future. $1 is not out of the realm of possibility. We talk about a lot of meme coins, meme tokens, huge multiples, 1,000x's that we would need to hit $1, and people buy into it. But for me, Polygon Matic just a year ago, a little bit over a year ago, $1.27. This is how you add them up, guys. This is how you stack wins on wins on wins. Polygon Matic is right there in front of us, doing the most with Web3 in partnerships with huge corporations. And this is kind of where we're at. This is extremely bullish, guys. Extremely bullish. And right here on the charts, you cannot ignore what we're seeing. All right. This is going back into March. You can see essentially what I'm talking about, just pointing out this graphic right here, right now. All right. 85 cents, closest resistance from where we are at right now, 10%. That's 10% up. Another 10% leg. And then you can see what I was talking about, $1.30. So not that much room to run. Easier said than done. Nobody has a crystal ball. But Polygon Matic is one of those cryptos that I have penciled in for this next bull cycle. And I'm buying into their partnerships and their Web3 development. Okay, all good stuff. I hope you guys are all doing well. Once again, I appreciate you all stopping by the channel. Subscribe down below on your way out if you have not yet. Join us here at Not Your Father's Capital. Join the team. Thanks, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.